Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video I have shown you how to make a butterfly. So in this video I am going to show you how to make a lotus. So let's start. All you need is a paper, a pink paper and half sheet of green paper and scissors and a rubber band. So now I am using a pink sheet. So fold it in half. You can use any color of your choice. So now unfold it. Now cut it. So now fold it again into half. Now cut it again. Now again fold it and cut it. So it is the actual piece of what we are making. We need 8 of them. So for one sheet we'll get 8 pieces. So for half sheet we'll get 4. So for full sheet we'll get 8. So we need to make 8. So here are 8 pieces. So now we need to make green also. So we need green just 4 pieces, pink 8 pieces and green just 4 pieces. So this is half sheet of green. So now fold it. So now cut that through that folded lines. So here are green 4 pieces and pink 8 pieces. So now divide into 4 parts. That means pink 2 sheets and green 1 sheet. So we are making into 4 parts. So now again take one pink sheet, fold it into half. So now fold the corner to the line. Repeat it 4 sides. Follow carefully. So again fold it in half to that line, to the folded line. So now turn back. Now fold it this corner to that corner. So that means fold out. So we'll get the piece like this. So again fold pink. Again we will have 2 pink one, right? So fold it. Same as that one. This is not too easy and too difficult. So follow carefully. See, repeat the same. So again fold back. That means out. So now green. It's little different. At the last, now fold that flaps, corners. Now it's little different. So for pink we'll turn back and fold out, right? So for this green one you should fold in like this. See the difference of those two. This one you should fold in, not like pink one. So make this 4 parts like that one. So I made it. Next, now follow as shown in the video. You should insert that green one into pink one as shown. That pink one, repeat the same. Now you should repeat all for 4 parts of it. So fold carefully. This is the important point. So 4 are completed folding. So now take that rubber band. So now take one piece of pink. Now fold it in half. So in that folded line we'll tie the rubber band. Now put it back. Now you should keep that part up. So set it. So just keep that up. Now we made into half, right? So that one we should keep at the top. So I tied rubber band. Now set it. So now first one of that part, make it flat. Now fold it. Now repeat the all 8 parts. So repeat all 8 parts. And add that one next to it. So it should be equal. So I folded all 8. Now next one. So total there will be 3 papers, 2 pink and 1 green. So green is for leaves. So pink is for main flower. Now fold that 8 also like as shown. So now set it. It should be a little gap in the middle. So now we'll set the leaves. So fold it and press it. Now fold and press. So you should make all 8. So our flower is ready. So I made another one, white one. So you can make any colors like orange, yellow, any colors of your choice. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications whenever I post a video. So see you in my next video.